Hey YouTubers, this is my '08 GMC Envoy. I had to replace the window regulator and motor. It went out one day when the kids were playing, you know, using a window. It got stuck midway. I couldn't go up or down. So I originally had to take the door panel off, and then on the original one, I took tin snips and I cut these wires to relieve the tension, and then just pushed it up, and I jammed a 2x4 in there for a few weeks until I was able to order a new part. The new part was only $44, which I thought was a really good price. It is 3 10mm bolts. To get to this one down here, you actually have to take the speaker off. The speaker is 3 7mm bolts. Okay, so once you get that off, back in here are 2 10mm, excuse me, that you're gonna need an extension for to reach in there. All right, you go down with the window here. So now when I had the window in the up position, I had wrapped blue painter's tape around the window to hold it up, the glass. You loosen these 2 bolts here, and basically it clamps on to the window like that. And then once you get it clamped on, you leave it loose and you go up or down a couple times, and it'll set into the right, you know, the right groove. And then you can cinch it down, you can bring it back down, cinch it down if you don't have an extension. And that's it. Here's the switch. It's just a quick, sorry for that, diesel. Quick disconnect on the switch. This aftermarket one, the factory one, had the connector up here attached. So this one has the connector down here. It's just a quick disconnect. 10 millimeters, 7, and then the door was just pops. You know, you pop it out, and then inside the handle there were some smaller bolts. I think they might have been 7mm also. All right, this is what the door panel looks like with the speaker back on and the switch removed. Now I had to go get the panel. All right, here we go. Popping the panel back on one-handed. All right, the bolts for the handle are also 7mm, same size as the speaker grill. Pop that on, grab the switch. Pop that down into place. All right, door panel's on, looking good. Seriously, it took me like half an hour. Took me longer to find my 10mm. I'm sure that's everybody's problem. You can't find a 10mm. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you got any tips, think I could have did a little quicker or something, let me know.